Okay, you're talking about small habits today. The impersonal part, it is not due to your making. You didn't create the environment, you didn't create the problem. Okay, we'll be talking about them in the in the section that is coming up next. So these are things that you can't control as a human being. You are just a human being who can't control everything. So the impersonal part, we finished it. It is part 1. So the second part, it is the impersonal habits or impersonal things. Call them things or anything like that. So the other first thing is a relationship with your environment. Let me say you have a wife. Let me say you have a friend who stays with you, or you trade with him or her. So understand, the way she thinks or he thinks can't be easily regulated by you as a trader. You may be sad or something like that. So understand, these are things that happen in the trading environment. Understand how to control as a human being, then let it go if you can't really understand what is going on. I mean, by letting it go is just accepting not to take control. So that is the first thing. And the other issue is emotions. Emotions are common because we talked about a partner. You may be trading with someone and that person in that day may be sad. Maybe, let me say, he didn't get enough likes on Instagram for a given post that is maybe having something. So, but anyway, let's leave that one aside. So emotions can be sparked by several things. So understand, emotions can get along within your partner's life. So understand how you can let go if it comes in your way of trading. So the other issue is the graph. The graph is just an imprint of a certain trader's understanding. So it is an algorithm. We all know that it is what prints the graph. So understand how the graph is being printed and how you should translate it. That's why we teach strategies. Understand from us how you can open up these graphs for you to understand how to trade, how to place a trade, how to exit a trade. That's the actual fact. It's so important. Make sure that you work on it very well. Contact us if you don't understand as a beginner. That's all we do. The other issue is noise. The noise can be within, because this is really common. We as human beings have a challenge of thoughts. That is the noise I'm really talking about in this aspect. So we think a lot. This can be due to maybe uncertainties that we haven't understood very well. Then we contemplate a lot about them. We think a lot about them. Let me say, you're thinking about some other issues that even can't bother you so much, but you have to really think as a human being. We are dynamic in our brains. We think a lot. So understand how to regulate that aspect as well. It is also connected with the emotions. How are you feeling? The emotions will spark the way you think. So understand how to really connect the two so that you can strike the balance. Thank you. I think I'll see you in the next video. Have a good time.